that Autobahn, driving on that Autobahn, that Autobahn, driving on that Autobahn, that Autobahn, driving on that Autobahn, that Autobahn, driving on that Autobahn. So if I wanna drive so fast, I would get a upper on that Autobahn, on that Autobahn. I'm doing this, I'm doing that, I'm switching lanes, I'm doing it on the Autobahn, that Autobahn. Some people driving fast and fast, they doing this on the Autobahn, that Autobahn. I'm doing this, I'm doing that, they over there on the Autobahn, on that Autobahn. Say that Autobahn, where I having fun. I'm on that Autobahn, driving for the fun. On that Autobahn, yes, that Autobahn, just to drive a song. I'm on that Autobahn, on that Autobahn, on that Autobahn. So when I know I'm going fast, the lines are turned into a straight line. They line. So when I'm on the Autobahn, oh yes, I'm over here, I'm wasting time, wasting time. I'm wasting time, but if I'm going slow today, don't win on Autobahn, Autobahn. Oh yes, you know, I'm over here, I'm driving fast, so win the Autobahn, the Autobahn. Talking about that Autobahn, where I had a fun on that Autobahn. On that Autobahn, when I'm having fun on that Autobahn. That Autobahn, when that Autobahn is where I had a fun. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That Autobahn, they're having fun on the Autobahn. So when I sing a song about the Autobahn, I'm talking about the Germany, Germany. I'm over there, I'm in the one, that BMW, the one that bumping me. It was bumping me. I get to point to A, to point to B, and then I did not have to waste the time, That Autobahn, I'm over here, you know I'm doing this day, I'm mesmerized, when that Autobahn, where I have a fun, on that Autobahn, on that say. That Autobahn, on that Autobahn, is where I have my fun. Oh yeah. That Autobahn, on that Autobahn, where I have my fun. That Autobahn, yes, that Autobahn, where I have my fun. Let's go, let's go. So when I'm on the Autobahn, over there in Germany today, here today, I'm driving faster as I can. I'm on that Autobahn, I'm here my way, I'm on that Autobahn, I say today, you know it what I say today. I say today, I'm having fun, they're having fun, they're on the fun on the Autobahn today. They're here today, talk about that Autobahn, where I have my fun. That Autobahn, where I have my fun.